What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I want to teach you guys this boom and crash strategy that managed to make me over $97 from a $50 deposit trading just boom and crash. As you can see, here are some of my trades. I've actually managed to make a withdrawal, so this was on a real account. So this is how the strategy looks like. We're going to go through all the step-by-step processes of installing this strategy. We're going to talk about the settings that you will need. We're going to talk about the conditions that have to be met when you want to use this strategy. So all that is going to be done in this video. Watch up until the end so that you can see how you can also make $100 a day trading boom and crash. Okay. Most of you guys do not even remember the last time they were in profit or the last time they were withdrawing. And as you can see, my trades are all recent trades. You can check on the date and time and see what was going on. If you're watching me from TikTok, please make sure you like this video and you follow me for more content. And if you want to be a full-time member, don't forget to follow me and comment down below that you are interested in joining our 100-day trading challenge, where we are teaching people how to trade each and every single day, looking at the markets each and every single day. If you're watching me from YouTube, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post. Okay, so let's get back to this strategy. I'm going to remove all the indicators that you see on my screen, everything on my screen, and we're going to have the step-by-step process of installing it. So going to my indicators, I'm just going to remove all this. And as you can see, I am left with a blank chart. Currently, we are on crash 500 and we are on the 1 hour time frame. This is the time frame that we are going to be using throughout the usage of this strategy. So make sure you choose the 1 hour time frame because we want to minimize losses and we want to trade in line with the market trend. So make sure you have that in mind. So the first indicator that we want to install, going to my indicator section, I'm going to click where it says main window, and we're going to install the relative strength index first. So this is usually called the RSI as well, or the relative strength index in full. It's going to have the following properties. We've got a period of 13 applied to close. We've got these two levels. We've got the level 90 and level 10. And then I chose the gold color for this RSI. You can choose any color of your choice once you have understood this strategy, but throughout this video, try and follow the same colors that I have because I'm going to be referring to them. Okay, so if I click done, you see that I will have an indicator window created down below. We've got our RSI in gold, we've got our two levels, and we still have our main chart at the top right there. Okay, the next indicator that we want to install is going to go or fall under our indicator window 1. So this time I'm going to click where it says indicator window 1, and we're going to add a moving average as our next indicator. Okay, and this moving average is going to have the following properties. We want it to have a period of 2. We want it to have a shift of 0. The method is simple and apply to previous indicators data. Okay, and I'll also choose a color for this one. I'll try and make it closer to my gold, and I'll click done and done. Okay, so as you can see, we now have another line added on to our relative strength index right there. Next, we need another moving average under our indicator window 1, and this moving average is going to have the following properties. We want to change the period to 7. Shift is 0. The method is simple. Apply to, again, previous indicator data, and we're just going to change this color to another different color, and we're going to click done. And as you can see, we now have another line added as well. Okay, and another line added as well. Again, we need 2 more indicators. So going back to my indicator section, I'm going to click where it says indicator window 1, and we're going to add Bollinger Bands. And these Bollinger Bands are going to have the following properties that you see on my screen. Basically, for the period of 34, a shift of 0, deviations of 1.618, apply to first indicator data, so please make sure you correct that. And on your styling, we're going to choose the blue color for these Bollinger Bands. So if I click done, you see we now have these blue Bollinger Bands added onto our charts. Okay, last but not least, we're going to add another moving average under our indicator window 1, and this time it is going to have a period of 34. The shift is 0. The method is simple and still apply to previous indicators data. And I'm just going to change the color for this one, and we're going to put a green color. Okay, so if I click done, you'll see we'll have something like what we had in the beginning. And from this point on, you should be able now to take a look at the conditions and trying to analyze the market, trying to see where you can jump in or jump out. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. But before we do that, please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment down below if you want to be added to our 100-day trading challenge for free. You can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number to show me that you have subscribed, you have liked this video, and you've commented down below. Okay, if you're watching from YouTube, you can check out our link to our Telegram channel where you can see my trading results, my students' trading results, our VIP services, our mentorship services, and our account management program. And you'll also be able to get my WhatsApp number from that Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. Just click the link and it will take you straight to that Telegram channel. If you're on TikTok, link is in the bio. Make sure you check it out as well. Okay, so if you want to be part of that 100-day challenge, it's completely free to join if you subscribe and you comment that you are interested. How do you trade with this strategy? How do you look at the market? Okay, this is what we're going to be doing. This strategy works for all boom and crash indices, so you can go on either boom 300, boom 500, boom 1000, or the opposite in crash, and you still get your results. And you can do both spike catching and scalping with this strategy, which means you can go against spikes and as well as go in line with your spikes, or try to catch spikes. How do you do that? We're going to be using picks from the gold and red line that you see on my screen, and those picks are going to be giving us entry points in the market. I'll start off by explaining with an example. Okay, when you see the gold and red line break the upper Bollinger Band and go up above it, okay, I'm talking about this area. If you align it well with your main chart, you understand that this is the same point that we are at. So it means that whenever you see the the gold line breaking that blue upper Bollinger Band, you're most likely going to enter into a sell. But before you enter into that sell, you need to have your red, your gold line crossing this purple line that you see here. So your final entry point will be due to this occurring. Okay, so when you see those crossing, then you know that your sell trade has been locked in and has been confirmed. And I'll talk about when you're going to exit and when you can take profit or you can stop your losses. Okay, excuse me. Let's take a look at another example. Here, you can see that we crossed above our upper Bollinger Band, and we also crossed this purple line with our gold and red line. And this is this movement that is being depicted right here, this short sell. Yes, it is a short sell. This is not a long trade strategy. You're just going to be in and out, okay? But for those that understand boom and crash, and as you can see from my results, you would really acquire a lot of pips on each and every entry. Okay, let's talk about the opposite. How do you actually do the opposite? Let's say you want to buy. You're going against spikes. The same thing. This time you want to have your lower Bollinger Bands being broken. Can you see? My gold and red line broke that lower Bollinger Band, and then we then crossed our purple line. This was the lock in for the trade. The moment it crossed our purple line, can you see what then happened? So can you see that if you enter just because the gold and red line has broken that lower Bollinger Band, you're going to suffer in loss. You have to wait for this confirmation of the purple line, then crossing with the gold line. Can you see? So here we just had a situation where the lower Bollinger Band was broken. The market just pushed up a little bit and then it went back down. So the stop loss would have been hidden. But once you waited for this lock-in, the price didn't go back below that. Okay, so you can do this on anything, on any boom and crash index. You see these movements. These are some of the trades that will be entering. I actually ended this as well from there. And this, once you see the purple line being crossed, it means it's a lock in. Okay, maybe let's take a look at boom and you see what I'm talking about. There was a buy trade that we entered here. As you can see, there was a buy trade that we entered there, and it was simply because of what? We see our Bollinger Bands, lower Bollinger Band was broken. We also saw that the purple line crossed, which means that this trade has been locked in, and there's no way you were going to lose trading like this. Okay, please try this strategy first on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts, because trading is very, very risky, and if you do not understand what you're doing, you end up mixing up. We also have a mentorship program that can teach you from scratch up until you are a professional trader, up until you can make your own profits while you earn as well. So if you want to be part of that mentorship program, feel free to contact me for more details. Okay, so we can go on and on and on explaining this. I want to do a part 2 of this strategy. So for this video, we'll end here. If you have any other questions, please make sure you comment it and ask them in the comment section below so that I'll answer them on the part 2. Any question, guys, feel free. If you want to participate in the next video, make sure you send your question so that I will be able to answer it and help you grow in your trading journey. If you like this video, please make sure you click that like button, you share it with your friends, and you stay subscribed. Until next time.